Hey guys, welcome to Restless Outdoors. I have our wonderful buddy Lucas here today. This is his third time hiking with me off leash. It is quite bitterly cold, and actually I gotta be careful. Whoa, be careful because it's very icy here. I realized the last time I filmed it was on my phone and my screen is cracked and it was just kind of crappy, so I figure we'll do it again this time. We'll bring the other camera here, and again, third time bringing him out, and he's a true champ. I cannot wait. I'm gonna keep this up with him as much as I can, especially in the wintertime. Every day I think I'll probably be able to take him hiking. He should be used to off leash walking with me. On a leash he's still pretty good. He still struggles a little bit, but you know, again, I just wanted a companion to take backpacking with me. Let's face it, every time I see dogs out in the trail, I love dogs. I get very excited. We're gonna do about a mile hike again. Again, it's cold. It's like 4 degrees, 5 degrees. I don't want to freeze my little buddy out, so on we go. And another good reason for me to come out here today, along with Mr. Lucas, is I want to try out my new camera lens, which the Sony 35mm f1.8 lens, a little bit different of a lens that I'm used to, but it's a lens I've always wanted for this particular camera, so hopefully it looks good.
Dream of horses, dream of horses. The best looking boys are taken, the best looking girls are staying inside. So Judy, where does that leave you? Walking the street from morning to night, with the star upon your shoulder, lighting up the path that you walk. With the parrot on your shoulder, saying everything when you talk. If you're ever feeling blue, then write another song about your dream of horses. Write a song about your dream of horses. Call it Judy on the dream of horses. Call it Judy on the dream of horses. Your dream of horses. Da-da-dum-bop, your dream of horses. Da-da-dum-bop, your dream of horses. Da-da-dum-bop, your dream of horses.
Well, it's about that time now. When my hands start getting cold in my gloves, and I know that he's got to be getting cold, so. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Again, I just wanted to show a little bit better video of my new buddy. And he will be featured on, I'm sure, many of upcoming videos. So we'll see you guys in the new year. Well, maybe. I think I got one more video coming. We'll see. Depends if it came in the house. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Ready to go home? Yes. You ready to go home? Okay, let's go.